welcome back to another video, and today we'll be unboxing something I've actually never unboxed, but I got like dinosaurs, I had to get the Smashers, and I saw some dinosaurs at it, so I was like, okay, let's try it. I actually used to have some of those when I think I was younger, but I ended up, I ended up losing one of them, and then, I had to move, and then I had to move a bunch. I would move, so then I lost them. I have no idea where they are at this point. But yeah, it's been a while since I've really used these again. So they're too exclusive. And we have this one. I don't see this aerodactyl thing. Looks pretty cool. Checklist. I actually know how to break them open. You just put them on a wall. And we got, let me see. We got in polar dactyl right here. Looks awesome. We got another little exclusive. And we got this like little, I don't know, I can't tell. Here he is. And this is and that one is, let me see. This one is an ice raptor. Okay, so now we're gonna take one of these balls, and I'm just gonna put it right here. That scared me. Okay, and I got this little guy. That pretty much scared me. This is a common. It's a what is it? I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. Oh, a deer frosted right here. Okay, got another one. Now let me just go. Actually, I'm gonna pick up these pieces before I get in trouble. Alright. And what did I get? Oh, I got this little like rock thing. And this is a common. The Sub-Zero Mosquito. Sub-Zero Mosquito. I'm gonna pick up all these pieces. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3. Where is my other one? And 4 right now. We've got 4. Alright. There's another one right here. And that was fun. We've gotten, ooh, I've never seen this one. This one's not like an ice one. This is a, I'm pretty sure it's common. An ice ox. Looks pretty cool. Right? Clean up pieces like usual. So satisfying. Where'd it go? Oh, I have it right here. And I got this one. This is a common. What is this? Like a bird thing. Oh, it's a snowflake snake. Snowflake snake. Oh yeah. Got 2 more. Clean up. Clean up. Alright. It's pretty cool. Whoa. This one was in a bag. What does this mean, guys? This one's in a bag. I've never gotten this before. Well, this is odd. Alright, we're gonna open this one till the end because I don't know, okay? So we still have one more. And whoa, where did that one go? Oh, I found it. Oh, this was really fuzzy. It's this guy right here. He's a melted moose. I got a rare. Yeah. Melted moose. Okay. So, now we're gonna get the one that's in this bag right here. Okay guys, and I'm back, and that's what it is. See what it is. And it's, whoa, super gooey. It's a rat. And this one is what's it called? A cold rat. Wow, it's super sticky, guys. Look. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like and subscribe. Bye!